Welcome everyone to Challenge 2 of Hackathon 13. Our challenge is Managing Performance Indicators for Subcontractors. We are the Team A Squared with our team members Duan, Samir, Rosie, Stephen, June and Fiona. Our challenge is to create a platform for subcontractors to input the data and information and provide automated visualization of data. National Highways is managing multiple contractors on site and obtaining every month from them the health and safety data and records. In a management point of view, it is beneficial to have a one-stop tool for the data collection from the contractors and to provide meaningful reports with visualization for easier review of the contractor's performance on a regular basis. Here's the information of the problem. The data currently is collated into different Excel spreadsheets, which covering 6 KPIs. The contractor are given a score based on the KPI performance. So currently there is a lack of visualization from the data and hard to get immediate information on how well the contractors are performing. Also, collecting and handling data with multiple spreadsheets can be time-consuming and may open to errors and duplications.
Our solution comprises of a Power App and a Power BI dashboard. The Power App to collate the information from the contractors, feed to a central data source, and visualize in a Power BI dashboard for monthly reporting. The contractor accesses the app. They click on the section they want to enter the results for. They fill out all of the details as seen on the form. They can attach their evidence to this particular entry here by clicking on the paperclip. They can also search for existing entries and make amendments to their previous entries also. Click on submit and that will then save this particular entry.
The data input into the app feeds into Power BI. The dashboard is regularly refreshed and can provide monthly reporting insights and visuals. The first page is a summary page, providing a high-level view of key metrics on each of the KPIs. You can also see the date and timestamp at the top, which is when the data was last updated. Each KPI has its own individual tab, which shows the scores and percentages relating to that KPI, and has filtering options on the side. For instance, you can filter by date and contractor. For capable people, you can filter by contractor and by team. Clear expectations, you can filter by month. Effective leadership, you can filter by contractor and by month. Engage stakeholders, you can filter by contractor. And health and well-being, you can also filter by contractor.
The benefits of the app and the automated Power BI dashboard include: the app will provide an easy tool to use with a clear user interface. It provides a simple automated process for data collection with subcontractor input. Data collected in the backend enables automatic generation of monthly reports on a Power BI dashboard. The Power BI dashboard will provide comparison of contractor performance, breakdown of the 6 key performance indicators, and enable production of trend analysis over time. These benefits will encourage all subcontractors to achieve the highest health and safety standards and drive improvements in data collection and analysis.
Future considerations may include turning lagging into leading indicators, potentially using a linear regression machine learning model to make predictions on future incidents. Use of a national database could be used for increase of data volume to aid model training. Additional functionality in order to export visuals to Excel, and additional functionality of inclusion of reporting by exception.
Overall, the data sovereignty as well as access to the app needs to be considered as part of the privacy review of the app. Data sovereignty and data rest mainly covers where is the data going to be stored. So for some types of data, it has to be stored in specific locations according to the GDPR location. So this is the first review that needs to be taken care of. Second part is almost what data we're capturing and how we're going to process it. We need to let the end users know this information as well as govern that data management process accordingly, i.e. after a certain time, destroy the data that's been collected. Assumption is that authentication will be taken care of by Azure AD, and nice to have is the two-factor authentication. Authorization to the data in the app should be governed by a user roles table for the app, whereby each user has been assigned a role, whether it be a contractor, and according to the role, they'll be able to create items for that particular contract, as well as view the data and edit the data. Addition of variables is dictated by a master list that has already been introduced to the application, which governs what information is shown in the drop-downs. It'll be simple as maintaining that drop-down values list. However, when deleting an item, we need to consider all the existing data sets. Regarding the visualizations, one of the things I've seen missing is regarding late submissions. So, for example, if we are required to have month-end data for example, for June data by July, that should be accounted for and visualization should be presented in such a way. As well as usage stats for the admins would be a great help too.